नमस्कार. मी बाबासाहेब शिंदे, अध्यक्ष महाराष्ट्र एज्युकेशन सोसायटी. राष्ट्रीय शिक्षण देण्याच्या उद्देशाने आद्य क्रांतीवीर वासुदेव बळवंत फडके, वामन प्रभाकर भावे, लक्ष्मण नरहरी इंदापूरकर या त्रयींनी महाराष्ट्र एज्युकेशन सोसायटीची स्थापना केली. या महाविद्यालयामधील मॅथ्स डिपार्टमेंट हे एक नावलौकिक मिळवलेले डिपार्टमेंट आहे. या डिपार्टमेंटच्या माध्यमातून अनेक नामवंत शिक्षक तयार झाले, तसेच अनेक संशोधक तयार झाले. अनेक विद्यार्थ्यांना या ठिकाणाहून तयार केले जाते. महेसो आबासाहेब गरवारे महाविद्यालयातून मॅथ्स डिपार्टमेंटमधून जे विद्यार्थी तयार होतात ते 100% विद्यार्थी अत्यंत चांगल्या ठिकाणी त्यांची प्लेसमेंट होते असं म्हटलं तर खरोखरच चूक नाही आहे. अशा या मॅथ्स डिपार्टमेंटसाठी विद्यार्थ्यांनी आवर्जून प्रवेश घ्यावा.
राष्ट्रीय शिक्षण देणं, त्याचबरोबर काळानुरूप शिक्षणामध्ये जे काही बदल होत आहेत त्या बदलानुसार या संस्थेमधून शिकून बाहेर पडणारा जो विद्यार्थी आहे तो नवीन काळासाठी पूर्णपणे सक्षम असणं, नवीन समाजातील गरजा ज्या काही असणार आहेत त्या गरजा त्याला समजणं आणि त्या गरजा भागवण्यासाठी तो त्या ठिकाणी सक्षम असणं हा त्या ठिकाणी संस्थेचा उद्देश आहे.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव डॉक्टर विलास रामचंद्र उगले, महाराष्ट्र एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचं आबासाहेब गरवारे महाविद्यालय प्राचार्य या नात्याने विशेष सांगू इच्छितो की आमच्याकडे 24 विभाग असून यामध्ये कला विभाग आणि विज्ञान विभाग या 2 विभागात कार्यरत आहेत.
नमस्कार, I am Professor Anil Khairnar, Head Department of Mathematics, Maharashtra Education Societies, Abasaheb Garware College. Department is as old as the college. Department established in 1945. Initially, we have only BSc Mathematics program. In 2020, we have started MSc Mathematics program, and in 2023, we have started Research Center in Mathematics. In the development of the department, there is a big support from institute, staff members of the department, and our students. I am very much proud to say our students are working as a faculty in IITs and institutes abroad. Also, they are working in industry.
It's the logic behind the chaos, the pattern hidden in plain sight. Established in 1945, our department is one of the oldest departments in the college. During the years 1945 to 2005, strong personalities like Professor M.N. Bhatt, Professor V.S. Athavale, Professor M.G. Garud, Professor G.R. Mangsuli, Professor Mrs. S.S. Agashe, Professor Mrs. Sushma Kulkarni contributed a lot to the department. Professor Dr. Anil Khairnar is working as a head of the Department of Mathematics, laying a strong foundation for the department. The Department of Mathematics offers BSc, MSc, and PhD in mathematics. The Department of Mathematics always looks forward to encouraging students through various activities. Department celebrates Mathematics Day on 22nd December by organizing various activities like quiz competitions, rangoli competitions, poster, model competitions, seminar competitions, games, cultural programs, etc. We organize guest lectures from eminent persons, academicians, researchers, and industrialists for the benefit of our students. Few of them are Professor Frederick Waring, University Deakin, France, Dr. Samir Chauhan, IIT Kanpur, Professor S.A. Katre, SPPU, and many more. The department has instituted a Ramanujan scholarship and some prizes for the students. To promote and sustain students' interest in mathematics, department provides certificate courses on mathematical software and organize study tours, field visits to historical places and mathematical institutes. The legacy of Abasaheb Garware College's mathematics department runs deep. Our esteemed alumni have made significant contributions to various fields. Professor V.M. Solapurkar, Charuhas Nimkar, Anant Nanaskar are retired from renowned mathematics faculties.
Why Abasaheb Garware College? As you know, metro station is in just the gate of Abasaheb Garware College. Why Department of Mathematics? If you compare all Department of Mathematics in other colleges, not only in Pune city, in Nashik and Nagar also, you will find that more experienced faculties is in the Department of Mathematics, Abasaheb Garware College. All are well qualified, We have master degree program, also research center, and varied research area in our research center as algebra, analysis, and discrete mathematics. One more thing is that as we have adopted national education policy, so students can take honors degree from our college, that is 4-year degree. So you have a choice. You can leave after 3 years or 4 years, or you can complete your PG in our college, or if you are more interested, you can complete it to take admission in IITs or industrial mathematics program or MCA or MSc mathematics. After MSc mathematics, you have a choice to take admission for MTech in computer science in IITs. There are many our past students are working in IT industry and also in research. Therefore, after doing mathematics, you have opportunities in teaching, research, as well as in IT industry. So these are the benefits of taking admission in Department of Mathematics, Abasaheb Garware College. We have already shared all the details of contact numbers and website of our college. So all of you are welcome. Thank you.